Hey everyone, we are here at Team 24 in Barcelona, and we are joined today with IJ Solutions, and it's great to have you.
Yeah, thanks. Great to be here.
Yeah. Do you mind introducing yourself and telling us a little bit about IJ Solutions?
Yes, sure. So I'm Jonas from IJ Solutions. We are a marketplace partner with 4 apps on the marketplace for Jira. We have all our apps for data center and cloud, so 2 versions for all of them. Our main app, and the one I will present today, is Epic Clone. It's our most popular app where you can clone issues and child issues in one action in Jira. We have been marketplace partners since 5 years, so we have our 5th anniversary this year, and great to be here at Team 24.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, do you have any favorite features that you could talk about today with your app?
Mainly the main feature is to clone issues and the child issues in one action, and it's also possible to clone across projects, so to use it for project setup and create template issues, for example, and then easily clone them from one project to another. And that fastens the project creation process, where you don't have to set them up all one by one, all the issues, and you can do that at once. And also you can modify the issues you're creating, so you can decide which one you will copy and which one not. And finally also we have certain permission systems, so by default the app is available for all Jira users, so all can take advantage of it, and it's really easy to understand. But you can also limit that to certain roles if you want to have it, for example, only for project admins or only for a certain role in your organization, then you can limit that to certain users.
Very cool.
Yeah.
That makes it very accessible for everyone. I know people love that feature. Do you mind showing us a little bit about your app?
Yes, sure.
Awesome.
So here we have a template project where you can set up template epics, for example, like this. Call it just default core functionality of a software, for example. And you have several child issues, so tasks and stories. And our app can be accessed via the More Actions menu in the issue. So you can clone the issue with the child issues. Then you get to the first screen where you can, at the top, select the target project. So if you want to, for example, go to another project, then you can set it here. This makes sense in this case because it's a template project where you usually don't want to create other issues. But then if we have maybe here my new project, it's a software project. We want to clone to that one. Then we can rename the issue, or we can leave it like this. We can set labels for the issue. We can define an assignee, for example, assign it to me in this case. And then also the component we can set. So this is picked from the target project where we want to go. And then if we want to do that fixed version, could be defined the due date for the issue and also the original estimate, so for time tracking purposes. Then to go next, we go to the second screen, which contains all the child issues and links of these epic. And here at the top, we can, for example, create a link between source issue and cloned issues. This is known from the default Jira cloning function, like the is cloned by and cloned links. And then we can also see here the different issues, and we could also modify the summaries. For example, we have here a placeholder which is called SA type of user, and we can easily find that in all the summaries, and now it's removed, but we could say, for example, it's for a product admin, and then it's replaced in all the summaries, so we could modify the different issues.
That's very cool.
We could also set a prefix and suffix for the summaries if we want to individualize them for the new project, for example. Say maybe new project, and with a dash, and now it's you can see it immediately here in the preview how the new summaries will look like. And then for the different issues, we can also go inside there individually, open them, and maybe also set an assignee in this case. Or for stories, we could also define story points, let's say 5 story points. And confirm that. And what is a quite new feature is that we can change the sequence of the issues. Now they are ordered by key. And if we maybe want to have all stories at the top, so created first, then we can just drag and drop them, reorder them as we like. And another thing is we could also say maybe one child issue is not required in a certain case, so we could just remove the checkbox and then it won't be cloned with the other issues. If we go down, the parent issue, the epic itself doesn't have links in this case, so we don't have options here. But there are certain links within the child issue. So one child issue is linked to another one. And with these options here, we can recreate these links. So in this case, template 8 is linked to template 6. And the cloned issues will be linked as well. So this could be done in this case if you select it. And then we are all set and can start the cloning. Click on submit. Now we can see on the top the cloning process, so how many we have done. The parent issue is already finished, and now the child issues are done. And finally, the new links are set. Now cloning completed. We can check the results, go directly to the new issue. It's in the new project. We have our components set here. We have the assignee set. And here are all the child issues we decided. So we have the type of user placeholder replaced by the actual value. And also there should be these internal links recreated. Here it is. So this one is now related to or linked to the same issue than in the source issue.
Very cool, and I see it assigned you since we assigned you as a child. Very cool.
Yeah. So that's the main feature of the app, and then this speeds up the whole process, so you don't have to do it one by one, and also it somehow standardizes the way you create issues. So there's no risk of forgetting something if you have these templates predefined, and you just when you start a new project you. There's no risk that you will forget maybe this story or a certain task inside the epic.
I can see how that's helpful. It's just ready to go.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for sharing today. I hope you enjoy the rest of the event. We really enjoyed having you.
Yeah, thank you very much for having the chance.
Thanks.